Hi, my name is Jake, and today I'm reporting breaking news with Ryan Howard, MLB superstar and World Series champion, who's now a venture capitalist at 76 Capital. Ryan, how are you feeling today, and thanks for being on the show?
Jake, I feel great, man. Thank you for having me on the show.
I hear you're investing in a new company today called Play-by-Play Sports Broadcasting Camps. Can you tell everyone about that?
Sure thing. Today we're happy to announce that 76 Capital will be investing in play-by-play sports broadcasting camps, the nation's top sports broadcasting camps, which are located in 9 cities across the country with alumni ranging from ESPN, Bleacher Report, as well as NBC. Play-by-Play is also planning on expanding their camps as well as bringing the latest and greatest sports tech into their programs.
That sounds cool, Ryan. I would love to be a professional sports broadcaster one day, but it seems like impossible to do. Will this help kids like me?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many people that think it's impossible to be able to get into the industry today. There's so many different social media platforms as well as live events that all need broadcasters. And at Play-by-Play Sports Broadcasting Camps, you'll get the latest and greatest, the help from sports broadcasters, athletes, and industry execs to help you get your broadcasting career up and running.
Well, everyone, you heard it here first from the one and only Ryan Howard. Thanks for watching this show, and check out playbyplaycamps.com to learn more. Peace.